Okay, we are live. Hello, guys. Let me just double check if I can hear myself. Let me just double check if I can hear myself. Huh. I'm just gonna mute myself for a second. I just want to see like if I can hear the music and stuff. So, hang on for a second, please. Okay, so the only thing I'm gonna change is I'm just gonna make my desktop audio louder, so you can y'all can hear me. I mean, y'all can hear my audio. Okay, so second day, second stream. I did work a little bit on my project at school, but I still need to get a lot of work done. So different to continue. I wonder how can I make oh well, it's because my should I like add some tags or stuff so people can find it? I don't know, guys. It's me. I don't know. I'll do it next time. I don't feel like doing it right now. Hopefully, at least somebody watches this. Okay, so let's do this. I'll pull my changes. All right, and I'll show you what I got. Reload, of course. I gotta do this. Scenes, item preview. Open scene additive. Yeah, there we go. I know it looks really bad, but listen, guys, still working on it. So this is supposed to be like an item preview. I'm still working on my UI. Okay, item container, item name, item preview. Okay. So it has to do with scaling, I'm assuming. Yeah. I'll fix it in the future. It doesn't really matter right now. I'm not really worried about this. Well, I am, but I don't know, too lazy, I guess. So let's see. This is bad. Okay, so I'm trying to make like a Fallout type inventory. You know where like you have the item. Okay, I have apples. So see changes. So I had apple. Now I have broccoli. So 8K is not going to work. And I know why. But Thompson is gonna work. Yeah, guys, I know it's really bad, but listen, I'm just starting. So if I have more than 5, yes, it spills over. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, first let's fix this. It's supposed to tell us the name of the item instead of it's supposed to tell us the name of the item instead of the actual name. So how are we gonna achieve it? What I'm gonna do is this. Obviously gotta open Writer. It's taking forever. It's a huge solution. Okay, what I can work on is at least fixing the data items. Okay. So first of all, item description. Has to be center. Okay. Has it loaded yet? Now, why is it taking so long? It's crazy. Okay, so AK data. So this is AK. So prefabs. K47. Why the fuck is it? Yeah, this is what I mean. I'll have to organize my stuff better. Okay, so data items, type mismatch, assets, perfect, one forgone, fast. Okay. You know what we can do? This will be better. I will call it empty game object. Whatchamacallit? Just container. I'll put all these things in here, and I'm going to zero them, and zero this too. Z is extremely low. So that way everything is centered. Or you know what would be a good idea? Putting the camera inside a container. So X can go away. So I can just move this somewhere so it doesn't bother me. Okay, now let's copy and paste it. Reset all of these, and I can remove this or remove that. Again, guys, I don't know if it's a good approach. I'm just doing whatever I came up with. Not a professional. So what am I doing wrong? So, oh, why is it broccoli? It should be okay. So that's a default thumbnail. It should not exist. I'll need to, like, I don't know, hire somebody to manage all these cryptable objects, because it's about to get chaotic. It's about to get insane. Okay, so this crypt renders the item preview, so I'm gonna remove it now. So there should be no default item. So at the awake, reset all previous invisible. They should solve the issue. Yeah. And again, this should go away as well. This is not good. Okay, this is good, but what the hell was that? Okay. Oh, that's bad. Okay. So why is my player interacting with something? So something is attached to the player that is interactable. So something has interaction layer. Okay. So if so debug log interacting with this. What is? We'll find out. AK-47. Oh. Yeah, okay, that was really funny. So that was the AK that the person had in their hand. Okay, what if I pick up another one? There's still one. That's bad. Thompson. Good. Apple. Let me check player inventory. So this is all we got. Okay, so interactor. So if we are interacting, it's gonna be a world item. So okay. Actually, no. So what we'll do is this. serialized field, private int amount. So amount, and it's gonna be equal to 1 by default. So inventory. So in inventory item, we should do this. Leftover. So we should return so if it's like, if we can do it, so if it's -1, then it's completely false, but so amount -5 is stackable. So 0. If leftover is 0, then it's good. -1. 0. Okay, this is better. Returns leftover. So so if this so and also so it's just 5. So if item is not stackable, so it's just 1. So no leftover. But if amount is something different, then -1. Zero is success, and this is leftover. I can actually declare it outside of it. Okay, I already see how it's gonna work. So leftover equals 0. So let's say we are adding 20 items. What are we gonna do? So 0, leftover 0. So we start iterating. So try it. So leftover is amount. Okay. So we try to add leftover. So if our leftover is 0, then we just invoke this. So in what cases they should actually return 1. Yeah. And this should return 1 as well. Actually, this should return amount. Amount minus 1. Okay, I think this is correct logic. So we are trying to add item. Well, we get the leftover. So if it's 0, then we just exit. But if would it work? Okay, so we just exit the loop. We exit the procedure. If not, then we go again to next slot. Leftover is triad item leftover. So this. I think this is nice. This should work. So then to try an item, no. So we iterated through all the slots and none of them can fit it in. Then we'll do this. We'll create new slots. So yes, we're creating so we'll do a while loop. Well, leftover is more than 0. What you're gonna do is this. An unnecessary change should be called only at the very end. So here, check if string slots can fit create new slots. Okay, so while leftover is bigger than 0, what we're gonna do is we're going to create the create the inventory item. Yeah. So try it item. So this is going to be slots add. Leftover, not amount, but leftover. Let's see, and how a way to test it out. Let's first work if we didn't break. Let's check if we didn't break anything. Yes, it's the local AKA. It's broken. Slots are not being added. We're still interacting with that pool. So we destroyed it, but the slots are not being added. So this is going to break immediately. So while leftovers, try add item. So we don't ever get here. And since this is not a slot but an item, we should totally change the logic. It's way too complex. So yeah, how about we go like this? Int amount, int. Actually, item should encode it already. So max amount should be gone. So amount. So this is good. Now within the item, so the stackable is gonna be public int max per slot. Yeah, because we can like melee grenades and stuff like that, and you will be stackable. So max per slot. So it's stackable. Amount is just amount. So triad item. So you can now change and we'll have centralized logic as well. So what's our logic? So max per slot. This is our max. We cannot reach it. Okay. So we're trying to add the so plus amount minus so this is our so if it's more than 0, well, how about this? So we add it and then check it after. So if this is the leftover, so amount and then correct. So let's say this is we add 10 items. Our amount is 2. So we add it, so we get 12. So our amount is 12 minus 5. So the leftover is 12 minus 5. So 7. Then 7 minus 12 is 5. So we get the amount. Okay, this should be simple enough. right? So if max per slot is 1, you can only have 1. I'll rename it to just add item, remove item. So add item, just amount. So we're iterating through existing slots. If they can't fit it in, so leftovers amount that we get originally. So if it's 0, or less, which is impossible, but still, just to double check it. Now we'll create new slots. So debug new. So I'll just print out the leftover. So leftover. So now each item should contain so just data then. Now so it's only if data equals to this. Only if data equals to item. So leftover okay. Let's try this again. Nope. So we do not ever get there. And I should probably delete this message. We do not ever get there. Inventory interactor. So interactable.interact. So add item and add amount. So we're adding it. Oh, fuck. I know what. Oh my gosh. Guys. It's because the amount of 0. I bet you it's gonna say the amount of 0 because... Yeah. Yeah. Let's set a default value to 5 for max per slot, and whatchamacallit, inventory item. World item, maybe. Yeah. So the amount is 1. But here it's 0, 0, 0, 0. How do I serialize it? Maybe default value. There's no such thing. Because imagine like resetting all these serialized fields. That's a lot of freaking work. Range from 1 to 2. So 1. Please be 1. Yeah. Okay. So of course that's 0. Adding 0 to 0 slots. Oh no. That's not good at all. It's gotta be a player. $31 slots and Apple data all 0. Okay, so my code is broken. So initially and all broccoli as well, except for 1. So probably let's do 2 so we can test it better. And same for apples. Actually apples, let's do 1. And then this IK, I'm just gonna delete it. Why do I keep saying IK? It's AK. So weapon holder. Yeah, there we go. So let's see the log. So mono behavior is missing. Okay, we'll fix it later. So adding 1 to slots. Okay, we're adding 1 to slots, so leftover equals amount. Okay, I gotta run the debugger because I'm about to blow my brains out. Exactly. Yeah. Okay. So okay, we go here. So our leftover is 1. So why do we add it twice? Okay. So if I step into this is not what I'm looking for. But at least I know what the problem is now. As I expected. Can constructor? Oh yeah. So then it's gonna be equal. I think this is pretty clever. We could probably ref it, but just keep it like this. Let's run it again. Nope. Crash. Big crash. Ah. Oh, because I put the breakpoint. How do I resume it? The Unity is just frozen. That's not good at all. Nah, the Unity is gone. Well, I guess this is a decent ending point, considering I didn't really expect this session to go really far. But tomorrow we'll continue for sure. Alright, guys, I appreciate y'all watching this. Have a good one.